Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment to tell you about my amazing YouTube channel, Mother Fashion. If you are a fan of fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, then you are in the right place. On Mother Fashion, I share my passion for fashion and beauty with you. From stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorials and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks from home decor to pretending advice. My goal with Mother Fashion is to create a community where we can all share our love, fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. I believe that fashion is for everyone regardless of age, size or style, and I strive to make my content inclusive and retailable. So if you are looking for a daily dose of fashion inspiration, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell. I uploaded a new content every day so you will never miss a thing. Thanks for watching and please watch this video till the end. And my dear subscribers and all my viewers, please share this video with your family and friends. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Melania Trump. From her early days as a model to her time as a first lady, Melania's fashion journey is a must-see. And of course, we will be discussing her high publicized divorce from Donald Trump. So let's get started. Melania was born in Slovenia in 1917 and began her modeling career at just 16 years old. She quickly gained attention for her stunning looks and appeared on the covers of the modest fashion magazine. As a first lady, Melania's fashion choices were highly scrutinized. She often wore designer gowns and dresses and was particularly fond of Dolce & Gabbana. Her style was classic, elegant and sophisticated, a true reflection of her European heritage. In 2022, Melania and Donald Trump announced their divorce after 18 years of marriage. The split was highly publicized, with many speculating about the reason behind their separation. Besides the drama, Melania has continued to thrive, focusing on her own interests and philanthropic work. Since leaving the White House, Melania's fashion choices have become even more daring and fashion-forward. She's been spotted in bold, bright colors and cutting-edge designs, a true departure from her most subdued First Lady style. Thanks for watching everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mother Fashion YouTube channel. For more fashion content, don't forget hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So please support me and subscribe my channel. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you are watching Melania Trump best fashion. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish women in the world, Melania Trump. So my beautiful viewers, if you want to buy these dresses, you can visit any online store. So today's video we are talking about fashion icons who are also part one of the most famous families in the world, the Trumps. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. So today's we are talking about Melania's term, summer style and the best plus size women dresses for the season. Stay tuned until the end for some amazing tips and inspiration. Melania Trump is known for her impeccable style and her summer looks are no exception. From elegant sundresses to chic swimsuits, she always looks stunning. Let's take a look at some of her best summer outfits. Now let's talk about plus size women dresses for summer. Whether you are looking for a comfortable sundresses or a stylish swimsuits cover up, we have got you covered. Here are some of the best plus size for the season. Styling plus size dresses can be challenging, but these tips you will be a pro in no time. From accentuating your waist to choose the right accessories, we will cover it all. This summer, plus size women are embracing their curves and rocking the latest fashion trends. From bold prints to bright colors, we will show you how to stay stylish and confident all this season. Melania's fashion influence extends far beyond the White House. She is a style icon for women of all sizes, and her summer looks are always highly anticipated. Let's take a look at how she is inspiring plus size women to embrace their style. Summer is the perfect time to embrace your body and practice self-love whether you are rocking a swimsuit or a sundresses. Remember to love yourself and your curves. You are beautiful inside and out. No summer wardrobe is complete without these must-have items. From a good pair of sundresses to a sunglasses to a comfortable pair of sandals, we will show you what you need to stay stylish and comfortable all this summer. Looking for plus size fashion brands that cater to your curves? We have got you covered. From ASOS Curve to Len brand, we will show you the best brands for plus size women. Thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread body positivity and self-love all summer long. And remember, fashion is for all sizes, so let's embrace our curves and slay to summer in style. Don't forget to check out our next videos where we will be discussing the best plus size swimsuit for the summer. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, on my channel I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you love for your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and sport and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. My name is Maz. In my channel, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So in this video we have created a wardrobe model full just for you, featuring the latest trends and a statement piece that will keep you warm and looking all season long.